Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find Twitter username and password. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your settings and locate Google in the account section. Note that you must have your Google account logged in on your device before you continue. And after going to Google, tap on Manage Google Account. Here you will be able to see a lot of tabs in front of you. Simply select the concerned tab, and that is security. Inside it, scroll down to the end of the page and locate Password Manager. Once you find it, select it and all of the accounts that are saved on your Google account will show up. Here locate Twitter and you can search for it in the search bar at the top of the page. Anyway, so after that you can see your username along with the password from here. And that's how you can find your Twitter username and password. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.